Dear students, now let's watch the second set of speed, distance, time video. Now, unit of speed, time and distance is listed here. Okay, so for time we will be using seconds, minutes and hours. And for distance we use the units meter, kilometer, miles, feet. Okay. Now, usually in speed distance problem we usually have speed given in the units of meter per second and kilometer per hour. Okay. So now, how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second when it comes for conversion? So for usually we will be for 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter by 60 into 60 seconds. So what it will become on calculating and simplifying it, 1 kilometer per hour will be usually given as 5 meter by 88 seconds. So in order to convert 1 kilometer per hour, we will have 5 by 18. Okay, that is 5 meter by 18 second. Now multiplying by 18 by 5 on the both sides, for 1 meter per second, we will be getting it as 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, now I can explain this with an example. Okay, so you have these formulas at your hand for you to easy calculation. Now speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed, distance is equal to speed into time. Now kilometer to meter per conversion, if it is x kilometer per hour, that will be given as x into 5 by 18 meter per second. Now meter per second to kilometer per hour conversion. Now what it will become, x meter per second is equal to x into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is how meter per second and kilometer per hour conversions happen. Now for example, I have a problem here. A person crosses 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. And what is his speed in kilometer per hour? Okay. Now we know speed is equal to 600 by 5. We have 600 meter per second in our hand. Now that will become 2 meter per second. On converting kilometer, okay, what we have in meter, the other we have in minutes. So we will be converting into meter per second, then finally we will be converting into kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we have 2 meter per second. Okay. Now 2 meter per second is converted to kilometer per hour on multiplying it with 18 by 5. Okay. That is equal to 7.2 kilometer per hour. Now an aeroplane covers a certain distance at speed of 240 kilometer per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 2 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed of, okay, so 3000 km per hour, 360 km per hour. Okay, now the options are given. Now the answer is going to be, distance is equal to 240 km per hour. So we know to calculate distance is 240 into hours is 5. So that is going to be 1200 km. Okay, now what will happen here? So here speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so speed is equal to distance by time. So we have 1200 as a distance and we have hours also. Okay, so 5 hours is 1 2 by 3 hours. So when we convert into mixed fraction, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That will become 5 by 3 hours. Okay, so we can rewrite it as 5 by 3 hours. On reciprocating it, it will become 1200 into 3 by 5, that is equal to 720 km per hour. Now the third part of speed distance video, let us watch. Okay, so how will you calculate the average speed? That is equal to, average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So here we will have the formula as, when the distance is same, we will be using 2xy by x plus 5. Okay, when the time is same, okay, first distance is same, the second set will be when the time is same. Okay, so when the distance is same, we will be using the formula 2xy by x plus y. That is, you're going to travel, speed is equal to distance by total time. Okay, when your distance is same, in case your starting point and your terminal point is going to be 15 kilometer, in the sense your starting and the distance is going to be same, so average will be equal to 2xy by x plus y. Suppose your time is same, okay, you're going for the distance, different distance, but you're traveling at same timings, you can use it as x plus y by 2. Okay, in order to have this average speed problem, we will just see this problem. Shortcut to find the average speed when the time is same, we know previously we understood that x plus y by 2. So 600 kilometer at 50 kilometer per hour. He then travels 700 kilometer different distance, but his speed is going to be same. So that is equal to 12 hours by 14 hours. When we calculate this, it is going to be 50. Speed is going to be common. So 50 plus 50 by 2 is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is going to be a simple shortcut. So watch the next set of video in continuation for some more problems to understand.